Now the food is ready. I'm now going to serve agusi soup, rice balls. Can you see? So this smell, it smells very, very good. Soup. So please, guys, follow the steps how I prepared it and then made it nice for your family. I believe you people will enjoy it. It tastes nice.
Oh, what we are enjoying today is agusi or which is known as agusi in our local language. Please don't just watch and go. Subscribe, share, and leave your comments and suggestions for us. This is very rich in vitamin.
Welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are happy that you guys have been following us up to date. We are so happy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments in the comment section. In today's video, we are going to prepare melon seed known as agusi with deer meat. We will enjoy it with Omotuo, which is rice ball. My auntie is going to introduce the ingredients in chief for you guys. So please sit up and watch out.
Abusiafo ene aduane aye ba be ene de agushi ye kan akatua enkwan na ye ba be ye de be adoa ade akatua amakwa ye de be nso ne entos enketen esuru wisa efom wisa ejene ye garlic akakaduro tea tomatoes mua ye de be Omotuo.
When you put it on fire, it's the same as the other one. You do not leave it. You have to keep by and then stirring it. When it pops out, Dina how coffee or ready. Then I'm bringing Okako.
At the Mikeke.
And then at I'm going to pound it. You can use to blend it, but me, I just want to pound it locally. But if you feel like you want to blend it, you can do that. Oh. Now it's ready. Okay. Yeah. See. It's okay. So now I have to. You first of all boil water. Then you put it inside. Okay. It will boil, then everything will melt. You add your tomato paste to it. Okay. Like this, you leave it. It will boil and everything will melt. To give me the heat fast. Okay. Wait. When this one is boiling, then I want to add. Okay. And pepper. And I'm pouring it. The soup is nice. Even the face of it. No. Oh, sweet. I don't know if I see a man there for why you mouse inside sister. I didn't need you. It's ready. Now the soup is ready. I'm going to serve. Agusi soup. The way it is even smelling, the scent, wow. So the agusi is not only for stew. You can use it to prepare soup. And this soup can go with any food at all. You can use it to prepare, to eat fufu. You can use it to eat banku, then rice balls. There is my food. The smell, it smells very, very good. So please try this. It's not only the soup the stew that you can use agusi for or akatua for. You can also use it for soup. So please guys, follow the steps how I prepared it and then made it nice for your family. I believe you people will enjoy it. It tastes nice. Wow. With the color crab. If you look at it, it looks like granite soup, but it's not granite soup. It's agusi, which is melon seed or akatua. So please try this in your houses. Family members, come around. Why? Tell me what I'm coffee. Some for Jabra is a sacoship. Hey, when
very great. We thank God. What we are enjoying today is agusi or man's Omotuo.Village, which is known as melon or white melon seed.
My brother is saying that he like this one, I like this one. So people, I beg you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments. Like it for me, leave your comments and your everything to encourage me to do more. I love you.
Man's Omotuo.Village food soup, which is known as agusi in our local language. Please don't just watch and go. Subscribe, share, and leave your comments and suggestions for us. This is very rich in vitamin A. For forming and maintaining healthy bones, go through agusi. You will thank me later. As well, if you want the definition of sweetness, you have to join us today.
My family members are very happy because they are enjoying their food. Their food is ready. So you can join us, okay? You can join us here.
It is getting to the finishing point. As here. I can't walk.
Akatua. Yeah, I'm fine.
Papa.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments,
and share.
And also say, okay, the food is so sweet. The soup, at least the agusi is not only meant for the stew. Please try and use it to make soup and see how the taste is. Trust me, you will love it, and you even prepare it every day in your house. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi there. We'd like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.